That shit worked perfectly. That shit worked perfectly, dude. Hmm. That shit worked perfectly, man. Yo, what's up, investor team? That shit worked perfectly. God damn. Hmm. Hmm. Talk about a plan coming together, though, right? Talk about a plan coming together. We talked about this breakout happening on gold last night before it even happened, before the price action was even on the charts. We predicted this breakout to the upside, and man, what a breakout it was. Man, I knew I should have. Man, I knew it, man. I knew it. You know what? I knew I should have took that NQ scout, man. No, I should have taken it. Let's see if I can kind of brute force my way into this. All right, cool. I was about to say, like, dang, NQ, he's gonna be nasty to me too today. I'm gonna hit that second target. Can the second target get hit? Yeah, it can. Yeah, what's up, Alfred? All right, let's get that second target hit, baby. Cool. All right. Come on, NQ. Come on. You don't need to stop me out. You don't need to come back. Don't do it. Come on, baby. Hold that. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. There we go, baby. There we go. Hold that. Hold that. Yeah, hold that, baby. Hold that. Okay, cool. All right. I mean, we made some money on that scalp. We made some money on that scalp. We just kind of wait for a pullback. Damn it. Gold actually kind of did something just now. All right, let's see if we can get a strong close. Mm. Well, I do. I mean, I see a double top break. I'll wait for a pullback on the Nasdaq. That's kind of too high for my liking on the Nasdaq. I'll wait for a pullback. I mean, I'm pretty sure it keeps going, but one mistake in these one mistake and these Apex accounts will be gone. I mean, that's the danger of this scalp strategy, but actually, you know what? I might actually get back. Okay, so you know what I'll probably do? I'll probably go back to Blue Sky. I think I should go back to Blue Sky. Oh shit, wrong ATM for the static drawdown. Because I mean, I can do this in Apex, but the static drawdown makes this a lot better. Because I mean, I doubt that gold breaks out here, but I mean, we're just gonna keep scalping until. Yeah, it's really the same thing. I think TFD is their sister company or whatever. I think you told me about that. They're like the same company. All right. I guess this is how people get chopped up in gold, man. This is how people get chopped up in gold. Okay. That's actually what I was looking for right there. This gold is just chopping up right now. Damn it, I did it again. God damn, gold. Well, I mean, it was my fault. I would at least got that first target hit. but now I'm about to take a full loss, or if it hits this target, or if it hits this stop. All right, gold is just super chopping right now. All right, fuck you, gold. Fuck you, man. God damn. Fuck gold right now. That shit is stupid. Damn. Like, what's the point of that, man? You said how is it's basically the same thing. So TFD, they're the only prop firm right now that offers a static drawdown for a reasonable price. It's basically, so their 6K accounts are very similar to Blue Sky's accounts. Like, hold on, let me just show you. All right, I get it. Damn. And I was able to make some profit in my funded account this morning, so I'm happy about that. All right. Blue Sky is the only difference about Blue Sky and TFD is I think that Blue Sky now has it has a activation fee or a broker fee or something like that. But their static evaluations are decently priced, and it has the same profit goal and stuff like that. So one is basically the other. Usually I get this one right here, the 20K with 5K of static drawdown. But I think I'm gonna start off with the 200Ks and just make the 6,000, and because I don't need to do all this, because you're not gonna get $2,000 in your live account. You're just gonna get so when you become funded, they give you a 25. You got to make like $3,500, and your starting balance is 35. Your starting balance is 3,000, and your starting balance is 2. So I wouldn't really recommend that 300K. But that's the one I used to get though. They changed the rules up though. That's why I would no longer recommend getting that 300K, because before they switched, it was if you made 5,000, you can have 5,000 of static drawdown, and then they switched it to 3,500 because I guess people were killing them with that $5,000 of static drawdown in their live account. So they switched it to 35, which makes that account not even worth it in my opinion. Myself included, I have $5,000. I took so many payouts from Blue Sky I knew they was happy when I finally blew the account. But the only thing I didn't like about Blue Sky at the time was that every time I took a payout, it was as if I hit daily loss limit and it locked the account out, and I would have to go to support and ask them to unlock my account every day. And on days where the market was going crazy, like if I was in the market, I would have made so much money on Nasdaq when Trump was like buy now and the market went up 1,800 points in one direction, and I missed that shit because they didn't unlock my account. I didn't like that. I mean, for obvious reasons. But if I'm gonna start scalping, I might as well just have a static drawdown, so I don't have to worry about this stupid trailing drawdown. I mean, I'll still rock with the Apex accounts. I mean, they're cheap. It's really no harm, no foul. But if I want to take this strategy seriously, I don't need to worry about, man, I just only need to be punished for the money that I lose or I didn't take profits on, not money that it was up $5,000 and it came back down 5,000, so I lost 5. But we up in this scalping strategy. I mean, so far so good. We had a rocky start, but I should be good now. Yes, I should be good. All right. Actually, this is probably about as far as it's probably going to go. So I'm going to start trailing this tight. I'm going to start trailing it tight because it could. We all know that 895, 893, when it gets to that 100 level is the front run. So we're just going to keep trailing this shit. Just keep trailing, baby. Keep trailing. And keep on trailing, baby. I ain't going to let you come back. All right, baby. That was a good fucking trade right there, man. Good trade on the Nasdaq. It can probably keep going, but I mean, we're going to be happy with what we got. Man, it feels good to be back on the Nasdaq again, huh? Shit, we're up like 2K right now. 2K. Gold just straight left me right here. Let's see if we can make some money on gold, man. If we see a pullback to 21 EMA and we see a strong close, I'm going to buy it. Nah, we got to wait for a pullback here. At least wait for a pullback. But yeah, that was a beautiful trade though. Beautiful trade. But we did get the market to break out of a range though. The market just broke out. So it's highly likely that, and it broke out and we didn't see price immediately close back into the range. So this is highly likely a breakout. So trading the pullback here would probably be the best bet to make money here. So that's what I'm going to be looking out for. It's just that pullback trade. But I'm gonna probably What I probably should do though. Nah, I'm not gonna buy the Nasdaq up this high. I mean, I'll buy it if I can have. No, I'm not buying it. I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not buying it. Stick to the rules, Sherm. Stick to the rules. Stick to the rules. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. I have to take this call. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right. So we got that. If we can see a strong push back up above the 21 EMA, I'll take a long position. Looks like the Nasdaq. I should have. Oh man. I mean, I would have got out at 18. So I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but this shit is still pushing. This is how the Nasdaq gets people. This is how she gets you. This is how she gets you. Okay. She got me. Hold on. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Gold is setting up. Gold is potentially setting up for something. Let's see. Get a strong close. I'll probably take it. We'll see what this candle does right here. Damn it. Did it again. It is really Nasdaq that's really doing it. Gold is just keeps taking my freaking money here. All right, let's see. If I see a rejection, then I'm gonna sell it. If not, I'll buy it. If I see a strong close. Come on, Gold. Can you just stop chopping, please? Damn. All right, give me a nice close. Hmm. All right, Gold. Okay. Okay. All right. That's gonna probably be the last. God damn. My God. All right. All right. All right. Okay. So this, if gold stops me out here, I'm just gonna focus on the Nasdaq because gold is taking money right now. She's not even contributing right now with these scalps. She's just chopping around. All right, this is the last trade I'm gonna take on gold. That's the last fucking trade. That's the last trade. My God, dude. All right, that's the last trade, man. I just gave back all my gains because gold found a way to stop me out 3 fucking times, dude. God. And then it goes in my direction, man. God damn it. I mean, I guess the real question is, where the hell is the Nasdaq going? I mean, where is it going? The 25K and beyond? I mean, hopefully in this case, I hope that's correct. Because I definitely bought the highs. Or the current highs. I hate gold, dude. Man, I hate gold, man. This is just... I hate gold. Gold. I'm just going to stick to my baby Nasdaq. Ah, shit, there is a little gap right there. Hopefully it doesn't need to fill it. Ah, man, there is a gap right there. Damn. Uh, down like 4K right now. Man, that is such a strong candle. This is why I don't scalp sometimes. I mean, it's a lucrative thing if you can get good at it, but man. Mm. Oh my God, dude. Of course, I get the account on the day where the freaking market begins. You know what? Fuck it, man. All right. Wow. All right. All right. Well, I just blew those accounts. All right, just blew that account. Yeah, what's up? Okay, trader. Mm. Oh no, hold on. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? That is correct. That is correct. What was I thinking? Or no. It's either. Yeah, so with this $1,000 a drawdown, I just set a limit and forget it. This is the only account that I take one trade in. I'm just set a limit and forget it. Either it gets hit or it doesn't. And I only lose $54. I only hit. Oh shit. Damn it. Damn, I just fucked up. Damn it, dude. I just fucked up. Hopefully this works out. Hopefully it does, but I fucked up. Just fucked up. I didn't think about it. I don't know what the heck, man. What the heck was I just thinking? What was I just thinking just now? What was I just thinking? Now gold. I mean, if you had to do that, I guess, but hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, if this thing crashes down, I'm kind of man, that's not fair. It's not fair. That's not fair. It's not fair. I did that to myself though. So I already know I'm going to kind of be in this trade. In this account, I'm going for one trade. I mean, I'm not going to be able to get these full 45 ticks because I made a mistake and only had my drawdown to 60, thinking about something totally different. But we'll see. See if we can get this on gold. You guys already know what my only concern is with this trade, man. My only concern is that now price is below that long-term EMA. This is my only concern right there. If we can get above that, then my target's good. I made it just in time. Just in time. Just in time. Yo, congratulations on that, K Trader. So only needs $300. And that's easy to get too. Especially if you trade Nasdaq. That's it's easy to get. We did get a rejection off that long-term EMA, but you say you're shorting right now? It's 963 and you're heavy right now, huh? I mean, that does look like a short, but I don't know, game rate. I think this thing, I don't know. Unless you're trying to get liquidity for your position, dude, I don't know, man. I think this is going to be a tough short. But we'll see. I mean, if we can, if price doesn't break out above this range right here, if price doesn't break out above this range, I mean, shit, your position is really good. Really good. And let me see how much ticks I got because I only got 60 points or $60 a drawdown. Oh wow, this thing didn't. And that shit rejected right at that damn thing too, man. Damn! Ugh, you stupid bitch, go. Damn. Damn it. Damn. Man, Gold's been pissing me off today, man. Gold's really been pissing me off. The TP1, 784. Dang, you all the way back to the orb, huh? All the way out, all the way back out to that breakout. That's a good, yeah. Before I come back in here and trying to revenge trade in this Top Step account. You know what? I guess that's just going to be a rule moving forward. If that 200 EMA is in the way, I'm not going to, man, damn it. Dang, are we going to see a complete sell-off with gold? Is this thing coming all the way back down now? I mean, a breakout is unlikely. A breakdown is unlikely. Said Bitcoin is about to be under 90K. What? Damn, dude. I got Bitcoin sell off. Damn. This is actually perfect right here. Yo, you know, honestly, this is what we was talking about last night. Something that the Nasdaq is notorious for doing. Even though this was a two-legged pullback into resistance, but you don't know that when you're in the trade. All you know is that you got into it, price was going down, and then instead of continuing the move down, it pops back up, stops people out above the highs, takes out higher liquidity, and then goes down. And this is something that Nasdaq does constantly. And this is why I'm just always wary of trading the Nasdaq because of that foolishness. Because of that type of price action. Gold is going to finish her move. You're not going to see that on a gold chart. You're not going to see that. If I start seeing that on a gold chart, I'll stop trading it. You see a double top, it goes into support, then it takes out the high. It pulls back into support, and then it takes out the high. It doesn't stop midway just to take out the high and keep going down. Like I said, if gold starts trading like that, I'll just stop trading it. Because that's one of its... I think that's one of the benefits of trading gold right now is that you don't... Once the market is going in your direction, you're good until it hits support. Or resistance. Instead of that bullshit. Yeah. I mean, gold also ran a lot of liquidity. I mean, it ran it broke out above a range. So, I mean, it was a breakout trend for the most part. It wasn't really buyers fueling this move higher on gold. It was sellers. So, This might be a tough trade, honestly. I might be in this trade for a while. If it works out, I might be in this trade for a while. Unless we can kind of break that trend line. And then we got the 200 EMA right here yet again. As I mean, y'all guys can see it. We got this trend coming down now. We got that trend line coming down on gold. So we're going to need to see a breakout and a hold. I mean, if this hits my stop, I'll be locked out of this account. Actually, let me make sure. I think I did lock the account though. Yeah, I locked it. Okay. And this is why the X platform is very valuable to me. I have to actually accept what happened. I have to actually. Hey, look, gain weight. We're twins. I mean, now the short wants to work. Look at that. No drawdown, no nothing. Now the Nasdaq want to cooperate after. Sure, but we're twins though. Gain weight. All right. I guess all the bulls went away. I mean, I guess the bears was the one feeling this move, but damn, bro. God damn. Slippage, slip X. I got my thing to set to 945, and here I am losing 970 instead of 945 like I'm supposed to. All right, man. All right, fucking gold, dude. Golded weight. Well, there we go. There we go. I'm gonna look at this Blue Sky account again because that's what's up, Game Weight. That's what's up. The crew gets in for free. The subscription, the payment, the payment walls for everybody that wasn't here when we was building it from the ground up. The free subscription is for the people that was here with us. They believed in us. They believed that we would make it. They saw our potential. We don't accept no new friends when we make it. We make them pay. We make them pay. We don't accept no new friends when we make it. We make you pay. You don't get to be our friend now. You get to pay to be our friend. Yeah, what's up, Tony Gold? What's up? All right, I'll just wait until next week and see what these firms going to come out with and see what kind of deals. I'm not going to buy no no accounts. God damn, dude. Come on, Gold. Don't be nasty to me like that. There we go. Okay. But don't stop me out either. I hate the fact that this thing didn't give me. Is this thing really selling off? Like, dude, this thing is super selling off. I mean, the market's not going to bounce or anything. We're not going to get a bounce. So you said the 15-minute orb and the 1 hour imbalance is starting to look good for your strat. I mean, that's the beautiful thing about trading, man. Once you find your strategy and stick to it, it's crazy how the money just starts piling in. It's not crazy. It's not crazy at all. What's crazy is you knowing this and you still do the opposite. That's what's crazy. Got that stupid 200 EMA again lurking. Got that stupid 200 EMA lurking in the way of my target. I do see a swing high here, though. I mean, if we do see the bounce, I mean, there's a swing high right there. This thing is super selling off right now. All right, man. We'll see. I'm gonna still look at these static accounts, though. I'm just so surprised that the market is selling off like this. That's what I'm more surprised of. Did something happen that we don't know about? Is something going to happen? I know that we have FOMC minutes later on today. Is there something in the minutes that the big money knows? And this is that big push up was the news move, the reaction to the FOMC minutes. Oh yeah, we do have Nvidia earnings tonight as well. So, yeah. Well, what is your entry model right now, though, Investor Z? Yeah, I definitely agree. I find it well. I think what these retailers are hoping for, because I mean, this just kind of goes back to like, who is the world's biggest consumer right now, and that is obviously the feminine energy is the biggest consumer, and a lot of people are making money on social media. At least a lot of people's customer base is making money on social media. And I think what these retailers are hoping for is that these influencers, these people that are making tens of thousands a month on social media will continue to consume. And that will make up for those that can't afford the product anymore. So they raise the price for those that can't afford it, but then they also know that they'll be taking a hit because people that can't afford it won't buy it. So I think they're raising the price to make up for that. That's my assumption. It makes sense to me, at least, based on the information that I know to be true. Broke people ain't gonna buy your product anyway, so the people that is buying your product, let's just raise the price on them. And if everybody's raising the price, they can't go nowhere. Yeah, that's definitely true. Shit, Nvidia has been holding the market up. I mean, it's been the market leader. It officially became the market leader last year. Officially. Apple has just been going down. My brother, which had been an Apple fanatic, and he's the brother that he loves chasing girls, man. And we all know that with most girls, if you don't have an iPhone, if you don't show up blue on their phone, depending on how they like you, you just could get left on red. So he's had an iPhone forever. When he texted me last week and he was green, I was like, yo, what the fuck? I thought I would never see the day. I thought I would never see the day. This man switched from iPhone to a damn one of those new Samsung phones. I was like, wow, Apple really has fallen off. Apple really has fallen off. Okay. What's the point of that? That shit didn't even go 10 points before dropping. So it's whatever, man. As long as it hits my target and not my stop. Yeah, I already know this trade is going to be because I'm going to have to probably sit through a lot of chop. And this trade is, I'll give this trade maybe a 40 to 30% chance. Because I'm going to have to sit. I mean, it could hold here. This is a good area to get long, obviously. I mean, the market bounced in this area. So this is a good area. But the market is trending. You got a gap that it just filled. You got a swing high right here. You got the 200 EMA sloping down still. Keeps testing my break even. Come on, buyers, keep buying this thing. Let's run these sellers out. Let's run them out. Shit, good trade, Gameway. Good freaking trade, man. Shit, this thing took out this ore pie. And this is probably why we got this big push. It took out this orb high. It took out yesterday's high. It traded right back into a previous area of where the market broke down. It came right back in. Good trade, game wave. I mean, the 15-minute orb, I mean, shit, if you took today's 15-minute orb, my God, that was a beautiful trade, man. And that was a beautiful trade on the 15-minute. %. Yeah, boy. Let's see if we can get this thing to keep pushing here. And it's pretty unlikely, though, but yeah, looks like they're trying to sell it at that swing high right there. So congratulations on that cave trader. Yeah, the ES orb it's pretty good. All right, man. Well, and this thing tested. I was like, I was about to say, yeah. Shit. That shit broke down like that, then. Damn, gold. It's like that for real. It's like that. God damn. Like that. It's like that. Okay. Mm. I'm just gonna leave that there. Just gonna leave that there. Gold is just being nasty today. Nasty, nasty, nasty. God damn. Oh, okay. Well, this is my last trade. If I lose this trade, then it locks me out for the day. I mean, the crazy thing is that I would have been profitable if I would have got out, got back in, got out, got back in. Hmm. What I'm more surprised of is that nobody's buying this shit. That's what I'm just surprised of right now. We didn't even get a bounce. We're not even getting a bounce. The market basically gave up the entire day. Basically the entire day. It pushed up higher. It took out this high, previous day high, and then it just crapped out. Of course. Let's see if we can get this target hit before we're done for the day. Yeah, and then I have to freaking the Black Friday deal on I have to basically renew my TradingView subscription on Black Friday to continue the 80% off discount. I'm gonna really look at the options that I have because honestly, I don't use none of the crazy charts that they have on the premium or anything. I don't use I basically don't use a lot of this stuff. As long as I can have the indicators that I have, and I don't even use all of these indicators. I'm only basically using 8. And I can basically find something else. Okay, Lucid. I don't know what the heck that was about. Okay, well, looks like they're just selling gold. So maybe there's some in the minutes that investors just don't like because, dude, they're not bouncing this thing. We're not getting no kind of reversal, no bounce, no nothing. They're just selling this thing. We're getting 10-point bounces and that's it. They said take it or leave it. If you leave it, we're coming for your stop. Okay. But I am out of time for this session, guys. I appreciate everybody that joined me today. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good day.